Kanong yalam berim ke MPCC ke kong amprin lingdo mentah ke katsan terik rimpang arjar arpuar ke laong bagi sanur ki MLA ke Kongres kin Jubab syaka MPCC Hadien karar Sngi. Ke kong amprin ke laitu bagi sanur ki MLA ki layop tiang ya ke shiti na ke MPCC bagi la sya suspend Hadien bagi la late menkershan ya ke sarkar MDA bayalam da ke NPP hak jingdon lang ke BJP.
We will revert back with a better statement after 12 days. We have been given the liberty to consider our stand once again, so we'll revert back. Let's respond to that after we have collectively decided what action to take. And right now, this freedom that we feel is something which is a very new version of our service through the party to the people. So we will enjoy this freedom of 12 days, and then we will sit down to discussing an action and a path forward.
Ma'am, one question from my side.
Other parties can say what they want. We are not even in authority to respond to that question.
Very open, because Dr. Mukul Sama said that he's ready to welcome all 5 of you to TMC. Will you be happy to join the talk?
We do not want to comment at this point of time. But yes, just now we have been invited for dinner by Dr. Mukul, and going for a dinner with a colleague or a former colleague does not tantamount to any commitment of any kind. So we are, like I said, focusing on the interest of the 5 and the group of 5. We do not want to divulge anything because right now it's important for us to consider our options.
But you have said that you are called for a dinner by Dr. Mukul.
Yes.
But normally political things happen over a dinner and over a cup of tea.
Depends on your perception and your interpretation. But like I said, already a member of the press has said it. So we continuously get invited to dinners and breakfasts and lunches. So we're enjoying this freedom and trying to figure out what to do next. Pretty much there seems to be a little confusion in that, the bulk of the letter, because it was only mentioned that there was an anti-party omission by the party, and it never dwelled at length specifying what was the quantification of this so-called disqualification or suspension. Sorry, not disqualification, suspension. I said we'll revert back to all of you in 12 days.
Is it true that the 5 legislators
Comment and participate in that kind of a reply, because leave it at that. We are now looking at all options, and we will take the best option. We will come up with a decision which is going to be beneficial for all of us, individually first and then as a group.
Don't you think that the party should decision to suspend?
We have now reconciled with the mode of action. So we know now that it couldn't have gone any other way, since that is the line of action that they have taken. So we will leave it at that without contemplating further in the public domain. Because at the end of the day, we have our own individual opinions as well as a collective opinion of the group of 5. So surely we will take the best decision in the interest of all 5.
including merging